What's up YouTube? Welcome to my very first vlog here on my channel. I am so excited to bring you today's content, and then welcome to Kentucky. It's actually a very warm day today. We are close to the end of December. Christmas was just a few days ago, and it's actually 60 degrees Fahrenheit, which is extremely odd for Kentucky in December. And in today's video, I'm actually going to show you guys what I ride and what I drive. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that. But if you do not, go ahead and check the link in the description below. That's going to take you right to my Instagram account. Give me a follow, give me some likes. I do post daily. That way you guys can stay up to date with everything that's going on my end. Oh yeah, and then don't forget to smash the like button and then subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay up to date with all the content coming to it. And we're gonna start right here, right now with this. This is my 2019 Honda Civic Type-R. I've had it for about 5 months now, and I love that car. I think Honda did an amazing job on this. Under the hood, you have a 2-liter turbocharged engine, 4-cylinder, producing 306 horsepower, which is a little bit amazing for just a 2-liter. And then that car is also a front-wheel drive, and the handling is just amazing. Now, there's a lot more in today's video regarding that car, and then I also have so much content coming to the channel regarding the Type-R. But I also want to show you guys, well, my motorcycle. And to do that, I actually have to drive back to the garage, set up the camera, and then start shooting. But don't worry, because for you, it's going to be just instantaneous. And this is my 2017 Kawasaki Z650. It is my very first bike, and yes, I did start on a 650. Don't worry guys, there is a lot of video coming to the channel regarding this bike. I've done quite a few mods on it, so I'm really looking forward to show that to you guys. Alright guys, I hope that you will enjoy the video, and I will see you right at the end. Alright guys, this is officially the end of my very first vlog here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the like button, and then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you can stay up to date on all the contents coming to it. Drop a comment below as well if you would like to share something with me, and then check the link in the description. You're gonna find my Instagram, you're gonna find my Twitter. Go ahead and give me a follow and some likes. I would definitely appreciate that. But like I say, the vlog is over, and I will see you real soon with even more content. See ya.